Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best video review tool in 2025 between Dropbox Replay and Frame.io. If you're looking for the best video review tool in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. If you already use Dropbox for cloud storage, you might have heard of Dropbox Replay. It's a media review tool designed to help teams comment on and approve audio and video files directly. Its main features include range-based commenting, where you can leave time-stamped comments on specific moments in audio and video, making it easier to flag issues or suggest edits. Also, you can draw directly on video frames to highlight changes or provide visual direction, though the tools are fairly minimal. Files can be shared through view-only or comment-enabled links, but functionality is mostly optimized for internal Dropbox collaboration. For smaller teams or simple review cycles, Replay can get the job done without overwhelming users. And there is no need for separate logins or onboarding. If your team already uses Dropbox, Replay just plugs right in. But you'll need to subscribe to a Dropbox plan and pay for the Replay add-on. Replay can lag when handling high-resolution or long-form media. Frame.io has long been a staple for video editors and post-production teams. With strong support for Adobe Premiere and other video editing tools, it's built for polished media workflows. You can leave pinpoint comments on specific frames and annotate with shapes or drawings for high-precision input. Review high-resolution videos with minimal compression or buffering, great for teams producing polished visuals. Set watermarks, passwords, expiration dates, and access levels to protect sensitive content and manage external reviews securely. Although the UI is powerful but can feel bloated or overwhelming, especially for first-time users. Many of the best features, like branded workspaces, advanced permissions, and extended storage, are only available on high-tier plans. New users may need training or time to fully grasp the platform's deeper features. Although Frame.io is designed to handle massive projects, bigger teams may find it hard to navigate through their files. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.